I still remember the first time I walked into a lab that specialized in plant tissue culture. It felt like stepping into a world where science met nature in the most delicate, beautiful way. In that sterile environment, tiny plantlets were growing inside glass containers, completely free from soil and the natural elements you would expect. At first glance, it might seem odd growing plants without dirt, without sunlight in the traditional sense, but that's the magic of tissue culture. It's a technique where small pieces of plant, sometimes just a few cells, are taken and grown in a nutrient rich medium. This environment has everything the plant needs to thrive: vitamins, minerals, hormones, carefully controlled to allow a new life to sprout. What's amazing about plant tissue culture is its potential. You can take just a small part of a plant, like a leaf or even a root, and from that tiny piece, a whole new plant can grow. In fact, it's not just one plant, it could be hundreds or even thousands. Imagine the implications. We can preserve rare species, mass produce plants for agriculture, or even create genetically modified plants to resist diseases or harsh climates. For me, what's most remarkable about this process is how it gives us a second chance. We live in a world where plant diversity is under threat. Deforestation, climate change, and human activity are wiping our species faster than we can count. But with tissue culture, we have a tool to restore balance, to conserve biodiversity. We can grow endangered species in a controlled environment, and once they are strong enough, they can be reintroduced into the wild. It's a fusion of science and sustainability. Every tiny plant growing in those sterile containers is a symbol of hope, a promise that we can help restore the Earth's green lungs.